Welcome to English Grammar class, dear students. So I shall begin with the lesson after taking the pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. A promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. A promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors. To always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places. To maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others. To wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID-19. Dear students, we are reading chapter number 3, Subject-Verb Agreement. Now please open up your books at page number 12. We are going to begin with exercise B, which is underline the subject, state if it is singular or plural, then tick the correct verb to complete each of these sentences. First is, my brother dash talks too much. So we are talking about my brother. So my brother will be the subject in this case. So we will underline it. Now my brother, we are talking about one person here. So it is in singular form. So we will write the singular verb with it. So the singular verb here is talks. A singular verb will always contain a S in it. Now next is, that man in the green shirt dash is my father. So we are talking about that man in the green shirt. So that man in the green shirt will be the subject in this case. Now we are talking about one person. So it is in singular form and we will use the singular verb with it. Singular verb is. Next is, that gentleman dash looks like my grandfather. So we are talking about that gentleman. So that gentleman will be the subject. We will underline it. Now we are talking about one person. So it is in singular form and we will write the singular verb with it. The singular verb is looks because it contains a S in it. Now next is, here dash is are two apples. So we are talking about two apples. So two apples is the subject in this case. So we are talking about two apples. So it is in plural form. So we will use the plural verb, which is are. The athletes dash runs well. We are talking about the athletes. So we are talking about many persons. So it is in plural form. So we will use the plural verb with it. The plural verb is run or runs. So runs is the singular verb as we have already discussed. So the plural verb is run. I dash rides a cycle. So we are talking about, who is talking? I. So I is the subject here. So it is singular because I is one person. So we will write singular here and we will use the singular verb. The singular verb is ride. Now next is, the players dash practices for 5 hours every day. So we are talking about the players. We are talking about many people. So it is in plural form and we will use the plural verb. Plural verb is practice. Also we will underline the subject, which is the players. Next is, that lady in the fur coat dash lives near the school. So we are talking about that lady in the fur coat. So that lady in the fur coat is the subject in this case. We will underline it. Now we are talking about one person. So we will write singular here and we will also use the singular verb, which is lives. Next is, the chef and his teammates dash cooks dinner for many people. So we are talking about the chef and his teammates. So it is the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now there are many people. So it is in plural form and also we will use the plural verb, which is cook. The boys dash walks around the garden. So we are talking about the boys. So the boys is the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now the boys, there are many boys. So it is in plural form and also we will use the plural verb, which is walk. The weather dash appears to be pleasant. We are talking about the weather. So the weather is the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now we are talking about one thing, so we will write singular here. And also we will use the singular verb which will have s in it, which is appears. So we will put a tick on appears. Next is the captain as well as his crew members dash takes good care of the guests. We are talking about the captain. So the captain will be the subject in this case and we will underline it. So because we are talking about the captain alone, so it is in singular form. So also we will use the singular verb which is takes. The boy dash dances to music every day. We are talking about the boy. So the boy will be the subject in this case and we will underline it. We are talking about one boy, so it is in singular form, and also we will use the singular verb which is dances. Next is each of the students dash are responsible for the books they borrow from the library. Now we are talking about the students, each of the students. So each of the students will be the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now because in the beginning there we have written each. So this means it is in singular form. So we will use the singular verb which is. Somebody dash have left his wallet in the washroom. We are talking about somebody. So somebody is the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now somebody is in singular form and we will use the singular verb. So the singular verb between has and have is has. Has is the singular verb. So we will put a tick on has. Neither of the two pens dash is or are working. Now we are talking about two pens, which is neither of the two pens. So neither of the two pens will be the subject in this case. So because we have written neither at the beginning of the sentence, so it is in singular form. So we will use the singular verb with it, which is. The crew are preparing to land. So we are talking about the crew. So now the crew can have one member in it or more than one member in it. So it can be singular or it can be plural. So we will write both. And similarly, both the verbs between is and are can be used here. Next is each of these charts dash is are tasty. We are talking about each of these charts. So each of these charts will be the subject in this case. So because at the beginning each is present, so it is in singular form. So we will use the singular verb which is. Ankur and not his friends dash are learning karate. So we are talking about Ankur. So Ankur is the subject in this case and we will underline it. Now Ankur is one person, so we will write singular. And also we will use the singular verb. So between is and are, is the singular verb. So we will put a tick on is. Salim and Toshi dash wants to go for bungee jumping. Now we are talking about Salim and Toshi. So Salim and Toshi are the subject in this case and we will underline it. So we are talking about two people. So it is in plural form. So we will again use the plural verb with it. So the plural verb is want. Now moving on, next is exercise C. Rewrite these sentences by changing the number, singular or plural, of subject and the verb. So if the subject is in singular form, we will change it into the plural form. But if it is in the plural form, we will change it into the singular form. So the first is they come over for a chat almost every evening. So the subject is they and the verb is come. So we will change they into she and come into singular verb comes. She comes and the whole sentence will be the same. Over for a chat almost every evening. Next is the teachers host a party for all students every Children's Day. The subject is the teachers. So the change the subject is the teacher. The teacher and the verb is host. We will use the singular verb hostess, and the whole sentence will be the same. A party for all the students every Children's Day. Next is children require at least an hour of play daily. Now the changed subject is a child and the verb is require, and we will write the singular verb now, which is requires. The whole sentence will be the same. At least an hour of play daily. Next is students need to study hard throughout the year instead of just before the exams. So the subject we have to start with is a student. Now the verb is need and the singular verb will be needs. A student needs. The whole sentence will be the same. To study hard throughout the year instead of just before the exams. Next is repeated cyclones have led to a lot of destruction in Odisha. So we have to start it with the subject a cyclone. So the verb is have, and now we will use the singular verb which is has, and the whole sentence will be same. Led to a lot of destruction in Odisha. Parents need to spend quality time with their kids. We have to start it with a parent. The verb is need, and now we will write the singular verb which is needs. Now again the whole sentence will be the same. To spend quality time with his or her kids. Now because there the subject was there, and now we will change it in his or her. So that's all for today, dear students. All the very best.